Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. Today we're going to learn how to make a classic salad which is going to take us all the way to the sunny shores of the French Riviera. I'm Victor and today we are making a traditional salad niçoise. It's super healthy and it packs a punch with tuna, eggs, potatoes, beans, peppers and more. Check this out, a beautiful salad niçoise. Are we ready? Let's go! Here are the ingredients for our niçoise for 4 people. 4 or 5 new potatoes, half a cucumber, 2 eggs, 1 pepper, 2 tomatoes, 200 grams of green beans, 1 onion, a tin of tuna, 8, 10, 15, 20 anchovy fillets depending on your taste, olives, green olives, black olives or mixture of both, about a dozen, and for the vinaigrette, olive oil, vinegar, red wine vinegar or balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. Now the gear. Very basic utensils as usual. A chopping board, a medium and a smaller saucepan, a colander, a couple of bowls, a salad bowl, a sharp knife, a tablespoon and a teaspoon. First of all, we boil some water in both saucepans with salt in the bigger one. Then we hard boil the eggs for 8 to 10 minutes. Then we boil the potatoes after rinsing them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, rinse the beans and then add the beans for another 5 minutes. In the meantime, first we rinse the tomatoes and then we chop them into quarters. Then we peel and slice the onion. So we have some nice onion rings. Then we slice the cucumber. With the pepper, we need to remove the seeds in there. And then we're going to cut strips. Don't want this bit here. We prepare the vinaigrette. 3 spoonfuls of oil. 1 spoonful of vinegar, small spoonful of mustard, salt and pepper. Mix it all together. When the eggs are ready, we leave them in a bowl of cold water for just a few minutes. Now with the potatoes and the beans, we also give them the cold water treatment. We slice the potatoes, and because these are new potatoes, you don't need to remove the skin. And we chop the beans into smaller pieces. And it's time to put it all together. Potatoes go in first. Then beans all around. We add the tuna. Cucumbers. Onion rings. Peppers. Tomatoes. How about the olives? The anchovies going last. There you go, they all go in. Let's not forget eggs. Then we cut the eggs in halves. Or, if you prefer, you can cut them in quarters. But they tend to stay together a little bit better in halves. So that's a matter of taste. You can now add the eggs. Don't forget your vinaigrette. And voila, the salad niçoise. We mix it just before serving and then enjoy. What I tend to do is remove the eggs, mix the salad, and then add the eggs directly on the plate so that they don't get destroyed in the mixing. It can get a little bit messy. So it's a lot cleaner like this. Take the eggs out. And mix your salad, serve it, and add the eggs on top. Ah, that's beautiful and colorful. Let's check it out. So nice and refreshing. Well, enjoy the salad niçoise. Bon appetit. Ah, everybody loves a nice salad niçoise, especially in the summer, with a glass of chilled rosé wine. You can have it as a starter, but it can easily be your main course. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you give it the thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Easy French Cooking, ring that bell, and check out my other amazing videos. Keep on cooking! À bientôt!